Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Nagbibilang ako guys ng aking income from yesterday and from today. Oh my god, it's not bad guys. I earned 3,000. Not bad, right? It's a good business, to have a store, right? Today you don't have money, tomorrow you have, or later. Honest is I'm contented. I'm contented to have a simple life in Philippines. I'll never feel more regrets that, I'm here now. I decided to go back in Philippines. It's because of I want to rest. All of my life since I'm 18 years old, I move away from my parents and work hard from Philippines to Denmark. And I think it's time to rest. Yes. Ginagawa ko ang aking YouTube channels to more extra later. It's like a coin banks. Yes. And I think I'm so lucky to have my YouTube. I know someday I can have a money that I dream. From now on, ang magkaroon ako ng pera na ganito, it's not bad. Yes. If I earn 3,000 piso, I mean, a day. A day, guys, no? Kapag a month, matumal na. A day. Naku, nga sila sa akin. Why? I'm fine. I'm gonna be fine in Santa Cruz. Honest is, I choose to go back in Santa Cruz because, guys, I have a short. Baka mamaya may issue ako na I don't have clothes on. I have, kasi there's an accident that very comfortable yung isang tao. Tapos, nasilipan siya because they are thinking that they are home. Naka-short ako guys, naka-short. Summer short, like that. Ayun. At guys, pinakita ko pa talaga ang aking ka-short-shortan. Okay. Never mind about it. Bill is real. Honest guys is, if you earn 3,000 a day, you're very lucky already. How if you earn 5,000? 5,000 is, okay, it's fine, extra. And honest is, I have a store plus increased money. That's fine. I'm survived for living in Santa Cruz. But I need to be wiser. Gusto ko bago ako tumanda, mayroon akong pa-surprise sa family ko. At yun ay ang aking YouTube channels. Someday, kapag na-monetize ko na ang aking YouTube channels, ako guys, mag-window shopping ako. Yes, with my family. Ayun yung pa-surprise ko sa kanila one day. Ayun lang yun guys. Siya nga pala guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye!